All right. So here we are back at Hugging Face Agents course, Unit 1, Introduction to Agents. Now we're on to actions enabling the agent to engage with its environment. Awesome. So in this section, let's set this up like this first. In this section, we're going to explore the concrete steps an AI agent takes to interact with its environment, okay? We're going to cover how actions are represented using JSON or code, the importance of the stop and parse approach, whatever that is, and introduce different types of agents. Awesome. Let's write that down. Let's write this down. I think this looks pretty good when we do it like this. Actions enabling the agent to engage with its environment. All right. So actions are concrete steps an AI agent takes to interact with its environment. Believe it or not. All right. So actions are the steps an AI agent takes to interact with its, doesn't it say that like literally right there? No, not literally. With its environment. Environment. There we go. And here we go. All right, next. Whether it's browsing the web for information or controlling a physical device, each action is a deliberate operation executed by an agent. Makes perfect sense, right? Some actions include browsing the web for info and also controlling physical devices. All right. I mean, each action is a deliberate operation executed by an agent. I mean, I personally feel that goes without saying, so we're not going to write that down. The examples are good enough. For example, an agent assisting with customer service might retrieve customer data, offer support articles, or transfer issues to a human rep. All right. So examples are agents assisting with customer, that's not how you spell that, assisting with customer service by retrieving data, offering support articles, which I mean, whenever they do that to me, whenever they do this to me, it's like, bro, you think I couldn't just look those up myself? You think we couldn't just go to Gemini and get it to freaking find those? I mean, what kind of garbage is that? But still, whatever. I guess some people need it. Are transferring issues to human reps. All right. And that's that for that. All right. So now we're on to types of agent actions, and we'll see you next time.